Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be learning how to create a flyer in Canva, and this is the design that we'll be doing, so let's just jump right into the video. So we opened up a flyer design and we're going to go right into elements and click on shape, where we're going to choose this square, and then we're going to resize it, and then we're going to duplicate this element and resize it again, and then we're going to just change the color of each element. So we're going with a neutral themed flyer, so we're choosing neutral colors. So we're going to insert another shape, which is a circle, and place it right on the end here. When you're designing, don't be afraid to change the position of your elements so that it fits the design nicely. It's all about just doing what's best to get the perfect design. So we're going to head to upload. So we're going to press edit image and select background remover to remove the background from this image. Then we're going to position her in the middle of this design. Put her right here. Then we're going to insert text, and it can be really hard to figure out which font style to use, but I'm going to show you the one that we're using in this design. So we're using London, and it is a Canva Pro font, so it's not a free font, but that's the one we're using for this video. So we're going to type in fashion, and then we're going to just rotate the text to fit the right hand side of the screen or the design. Then we're going to go to lines and shapes, and we're going to select this line, rotate it, and just put it at the right hand side of the design as well. Then we're going to insert text, and we're going to type new in. Then we're going to resize. We started out with the font Amsterdam 4, but we're going to change it to another font. So we're going to change it to Moontime. From here, we're just going to resize the text. It's a bit hard to read from this angle, so we're just going to reposition it to the left hand side of the design. So the design is coming together. What we're going to do now is search for shadows in elements. And we're gonna select this one right here, and we're gonna let it be the background, or set it as the background image. So we're almost through with this design. We're going to insert the website name, so www.clothingcentral.com, and then we're going to just position it at the bottom part of our design. So this is the name of the font that we use. And we are going to adjust the spacing. So we're going to adjust the letter spacing so that letters are more far apart or further apart. And then we're going to click on the pictorial element that we had that we removed the background of. Go to shadows and select drop. And then we're going to adjust the settings here. So we're going to let the blur color be white. I'll change it to brown since we're doing a neutral colored design. And we're going to play around with the offset, angle, and transparency. So we're changing the color of the circular element that we had to match the one on the right hand side, and then from here we're going to just insert the last text. So we're going to say 20% off orders over $30. Then we're going to just insert this text or move this text to fit within the circular element. So that wraps up this design. We're going to just download this page or this flyer, and then from there we're going to take a look at the final design. If you guys would like to purchase this template, just comment below and let me know. But this is the final look. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more design tutorials.